What is up, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to show you why I got banned off Bet365 and how I got banned, what happened. So first of all, I got banned on Bet365. I'm not completely off the platform, but my account is very restricted. And what does this mean? It means that I can no longer cash out the bets that I place. So let's say I put $100 on a specific team, and then later on, even before the match has even started, I want to cash out that money before the bet has even started. I can't do that anymore. Second of all, the other restriction that I have is basically that I can't place the money I want on a specific bet. So let's say I want to place for Manchester City to win over Inter Milan. I wanted to place $20, but they only let me place $1.50. So the amounts of money I can place are no longer worth it to stay on this platform because the profits will be so small and minuscule. Um, and it varies a lot, which makes the whole EV betting thing very. Um, the EV betting is based on using the same type of bet every single time, or the same percent of your bankroll. But when it varies so much on each bet, it's impossible to basically stay with a profit. So, um, what's the plan now? Hypothetically, and this video is only for educational and evaluational purposes only. Hypothetically, you could ask a friend or a family member to create an account for you with their own password, with their own ID, give you their login credentials, and then let you place your money in there and play on that account. Now, the risk with this is that if the sportsbook detects that maybe you have the same IP address, the Wi-Fi or internet address, or you have the same payment method from the same number or from the same card, um, they could ban you basically and not let you withdraw your money. In their terms of service, there are some lines of text that say that if you're trying to evade a account restriction, they will be able to withhold funds. So it's risky. So what I think you should do, or what you can do at least, hypothetically, is to ask a family member to create an account for you, and then you use their login credentials. And on Bet365, it's really easy because it's just a username and a password, even on mobile. You don't need to each time verify with like some digital ID or something like that. You just log in. And once you get those credentials, you can just log in, deposit money. Make sure you are it's probably good to be on a VPN. When it comes to VPNs, the best one I could find is a VPN called Mulvad VPN. This VPN is basically the most secure one. It's completely anonymous. When you pay for the VPN server, you don't need to enter an email or anything like that. You just pay €5, and uh, they open like a numbered account, not with any email or something like that. So the only way for you to log in is with that number. So once you have that number, you just pay €5 and you get a month of it, of the VPN. What are their capabilities? You can use their own browser with built-in VPN, or you can just download the VPN app. It works on mobile too, so when you're placing bets on your mobile device, just use their VPN too. Um, because the best thing um, with this VPN is it's like really easy to manage. And make sure to use the VPN on both your phone and your computer, because I guess they're probably going to just ban you or detect if you use the same IP address, which would be really unfortunate, especially when you have a lot of money on our accounts. But in the meantime, while let's say you get restricted, in the meantime you could place money on other sportsbooks like I have. Um, and for legal purposes, I'm not going to create another Bet365 account with my family members, with any friends. I will be banned forever and I will never open Bet365 again. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching and have a great rest of your day. This is how I would circumvent this hypothetically. Thank you guys.